QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term pullback after an aggressive bounce yesterday in a move that peaked above the $95.5. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold above our key area of support above the 69.1 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And on today's video, I will be giving you the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, discuss an Elliot structure that is playing out here on the 4-hour chart, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started an impulse to the upside in a move that first peaked above the $70.9, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a bit of a short-term corrective structure in a wave 2, whose minimum pullback target areas I gave you using the Fibonacci's and marked the target area using this yellow target area, an area that we fully maximized and finally saw a reaction to this target area, giving us an explosive breakout yesterday in a move that peaked above the $95.5 in what I am now terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 3. And using the Fibonacci's, that is the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, you can see that we fully maximized the minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 84.4. We continued to push even higher, almost fully maximizing the next area on the Fibonacci's, the fib level 2.618 above the $100.2. But you can all see that there are high chances that we have now peaked in the wave 3 above the 95.5, and whatever is playing out at the moment is a bit of a short-term corrective structure in a wave 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave, for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the $81.6 and the $77.2. So I need to see QNT holding above the $77.2 in the next coming hours, and as long as we continue holding within this area, then I will be expecting another explosive bounce to the upside in a wave 5, possibly taking us back above the $100 mark. We need to have a worst case scenario in mind, and that can play out the moment we lose the fib level 0.5, and that is above the $77.2. The moment that plays out, then that means that whatever is playing out over here is not a 5-wave structure information, and that will turn out to be maybe a more bearish case scenario, because the moment we lose $77.2, then that will be unlocking a more bearish case scenario that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 12th of November. So that is something to watch out for. We also need to pay attention to the most significant key area of support above the 69.1, because if by any chance we lose that area of support, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move, having the $56 as my next target areas. Jumping to the daily chart, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the, that is below the $40, and started an impulse to the upside that peaked above the $229, giving us the high for this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in a larger Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing the minimum target areas for the second wave marked on the charts using that red target area. But at some point we challenged that second wave the moment we lost the fib level 0.88 here on the Fibonacci's, and that lies above the $63. The moment we lost that area on the Fibonacci's, I say to you that there are high chances that we can easily see a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. but at the time of this recording we are now holding above that area on the Fibonacci's, and we now seem to be showing some strength to the upper side. So in the next coming days we need to see QNT maintaining that bullish momentum, and if we get bearish we need to see QNT holding above the Fib level 0.88, because if by any chance we lose it again, there's a chance of getting a reset of the bear market lows. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.